Milk, one of the most important and the most integral part of our diet and nutrition, but at the same time one of the most controversial food too. Should we consume milk or not? Is milk healthy or not? Our elders, ancient scriptures or Ayurveda can better say that milk is not at all harmful. In fact, it is one of the most nutritious food found on earth because of its high nutrition profile, high protein content, high calcium content, etc. But still, it is one of the most controversial food. And there are two reasons for this. We will be discussing these two reasons in detail in this video. And also the solution, what you can do if you are not able to digest milk properly. So the first reason is that milk has lactose. Lactose is a form of sugar which is not easily digested by human body because human body needs an enzyme known as lactase to digest lactose. But 60 to 70% of human beings lack lactase in them, and therefore they can't digest lactose. And this leads to further problems like gas, bloating, diarrhea, etc. So this is one of the biggest problems associated with milk. But being an Indian, we can see so many of our elders as our live examples. They have been consuming milk for a long time and they have not been experiencing any of the digestive issues, etc. Why so? The simplest explanation can be the milk which they were consuming was coming from desi variety or desi breed of cows or buffaloes. But the milk which we are consuming is coming from hybrid or foreign breed of cows or buffaloes. But what difference does it make? So here we come to our second controversy, which is A1 milk versus A2 milk. Milk contains two types of proteins, whey protein and casein protein. Casein protein being the prominent one because 80% of casein protein is found in milk. Now again, there are so many different classifications of casein protein found in milk, beta casein being one of them. And A1 and A2 are further types of beta casein found in milk, A1 beta casein and A2 beta casein. A1 beta casein is found in hybrid or foreign breeds of cows or buffaloes, and A2 beta casein is found in our Indian or desi breeds of cows or buffaloes. India's desi cow breeds like Tharparkar, Gir, Sahiwal have a genetic makeup that yield milk high in A2. However, over the years, crossbreeding with foreign breeds like Jersey and Holstein Friesian, which basically gives twice as much quantity of milk as A1 gives. Over the years, the milk of A1 milk is being promoted to meet the commercial interest in high demand. And A1 milk is not good because a small protein known as beta casomorphin 7 is released when we digest A1 beta casein. Because beta casomorphin 7 is linked to so many of the problems like heart diseases, diabetes, bloating, gas, and so much more. So the basic conclusion is that if you are drinking milk which is coming from A2 breed of cows or buffaloes, it won't be causing any problem to you. Most of the times there are also no digestive issues found in people who drink A2 cow milk. But on the other hand, if you are drinking milk coming from A1 variety of cows, you will experience digestive issues as well. However, everyone has different types of bodies, so it is better to experience and experiment all these things for yourself. Try to drink A2 milk and see if that suits you or not. If consuming A2 milk is still causing problem, if you are still not able to digest lactose, then there is other option available. You can start drinking dahi. Dahi contains lactase, an enzyme which is used to digest lactose, the sugar which we can't digest, and therefore our bodies doesn't need to digest lactose anymore if you are consuming dahi. So dahi is most suitable for the people who are lactose intolerant. Apart from all these things, milk is a desi superfood. It has high nutrient profile, it is rich in proteins, it has high amino acid profile as well. It is rich in vitamin B12 which is not found in any of the plant-based foods. So milk is something which should definitely be consumed, especially by vegetarians. However, if you cannot find any of the local vendor which is selling good quality raw A2 milk, then you can opt for pasteurized A2 milk, which is nowadays being sold in the market and you can find that easily. If any of these options is not available, then you should definitely go for dahi. You should increase the quantity of dahi in your diet instead of milk. So don't miss out on the nutrients which you are getting from milk. They are really essential for you. Take care and have a great day. And yes, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done this yet, and give a thumbs up if you find this video useful.